reason I came in and pulled apart the center console to get to that wire for the glass release. As you can see, I'm going to grab the camera here from Inge. Let's get some light on this guy. Alright, so as you can see, the reason why I didn't want to, all of this had to come apart here and here. There's a connector right where I'm pointing below this huge guy here. This is the body control module on the vehicle computer, if you will. And so right down there is the harness with the correct pin. Two problems. When I was testing it, the client's key battery was, and I'm going to hand you back to Ange. So the client's battery that was in the key wasn't working that well, and for some reason when I popped it open to put a new battery in it so I could test it, had a bunch of like Vaseline-ish stuff in there. I don't know why anybody would do that, or why that would be like that, but unless it was some kind of electrolytic grease, I think is what they call that. I use it when I do HID kits, stuff like that, but that's higher voltage than just 3 volts in a key. So anyway, so I'm going to tape this up. I've got all kinds of room to run this out to the other side, and then I'll worry about getting it hooked up. I am going to put this back together. I'll probably do a time lapse here, but I do want to, just wanted you to know that I got to it. I did take it apart. Sometimes I forget the roll. I get focused on something and don't always grab the camera. It's not second nature yet. I'm still working through that. So I'm going to run the wire under here. And then I'm going to bring it out. I'm going to go way, 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 way down. And run it out. Oops. What am I doing here? I see what I was getting at. I did have some kind of plan. I don't think it was the exact one I wanted, but Alright, so we're below anything in the center console that we might get hung up on, shift cable, etc. So I am going to do a time lapse now, put this back together so you guys don't have to watch